What top speed can we get out of the Larlo AM-D12 on 2S and 3S batteries? Let's see, shall we? Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. As said before, this is the Larlo AM-D12. It's obviously for off-road, but people wanted to know what the top speed is on a 2S, and it is 3S capable, so we've got a 3S battery as well. So, let's get ready with the GPS that I forgot about, and it's stuck in my pocket. It's alright, I got it. In here we have the original Larlo battery that came with it. This is the 2S. I believe it's 2,800 milliamp hours, 25C, which it is. As you see, the GPS is there. Flying over my head is the Flyboys again with their RC helicopters, two flying at the same time. Pretty cool, actually. Nice. So, I forgot to turn it on, Colin. Let's not talk about that. And as I have learned by my own mistake, I shall put the throttle up to 100% straight away. It is already there. Nice. So we have 6 satellites. I will read the last one so you can see. 2.25, that was for the drag race with the AK917. So we will go to track, start, see what speeds we can do. I think it's... Did I hit an invisible wall there or something? I think this is going to be very hard to just keep in a straight line, quite frankly. Right, let's see, shall we? I've turned the steering input down so that it doesn't do crazy steering inputs. Quite fast on 2S, isn't it? Full throttle. What speed do you reckon, Colin?
I don't know.
Stop. Read. And 58 on the 2S. Not bad for an off-roader, is it? So let's get the battery out and put in a 3S battery. We just had a failed 3S run with my other battery, so luckily Genze sent me this one here. It doesn't fit very well, so hopefully we won't crash with it. So I will just go to read. That was 57. Track's on, so we'll go to start. So let's hope that this will all fit in. It's in. Please be aware that this is a high voltage battery, needing a little bit more oomph. Standing start. Meant to do that. I'm going to drive up slowly and head back quickly to us just so that we don't hit anybody. That nearly landed. It counts, right? Okay, what speed do you reckon, Colin? If we got 56, 57 on the 2S, what do you reckon?
This is 2S.
This is now 3S.
62.
Stop. And we have, read, 75. That's not bad at all, is it? So, ladies and gentlemen, we've got 56, 57 or something like that. I can't remember, so many figures today on the 2S, but on the 3S we got 75. That I think is not very bad for such a beast. You saw the barrel roll at the end. I've had a quick look over everything and there's nothing wrong with it at all. I'm so impressed with the quality of Larlo. If you don't have one of these and you're looking at getting like a WO Toys 124016, for example, definitely take a look at this. I know it's a little bit expensive, but you're spending less on parts to keep it on the road, and that's a very big deal. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.